So these all are the qualities of the Krishnas. So gopis, so they have forget about the consciousness of their body. She becomes like a puppet. One zero seven. भैया मुझे सुनाई नहीं आ रहा। So everything is resides in the shloka. Yadav, when Yadav was doing the cow grazing or taking out milk from the cows, so they remember the katha of the Govind and taking the name of the Govind. So they are taking the milk from the cow. Their hearts or mind is always observed in the Govinds. Always sit in the Govinds. Always these things about Govind. Because their heart is always sit or observed in the Govinds. So they never worries about the material things. So Brajna means heart. On the table. At the time of gopis, the transcendental, so the transcendental feeling, seeing the transcendental feeling of the gopis, how they become stunned or how the gopis become stunned. Just like when somebody post or make a painting on the wall, so that painting just like become stunned or it cannot move here and there. In the same way, gopis stunned themselves. So gopi senses, all the senses of the gopis observes in Krishna's, just like eyes. When they see the Govind, so their eyes always observed, and so their eye will not go here and there. They will always continue to see will take the darshan of Govind. Or seeing these kinds of all desires, Krishna himself, he is so much shocked. So Krishna thinks himself that I don't have this kinds of feeling in my mind, in my heart. So what kind of transcendental feelings gopis have in their hearts? And seeing the Saundarya of Madhurya of mind, so gopi becomes like a puppet or behave like a puppet. Is it? What? So here it is saying sometimes when gopis they got the man, for breaking that man, खंडन करने के लिए, so so breaking that man. So Krishna do many kinds of activity there, but at least Krishna, so when he is teased by the gopis, so he left the kunj of the gopis at that time. After doing so many efforts, he left the kunj of the gopis. Sometimes gopis, they use very harsh words before Govind. So by these harsh words, gopis do the chastisements to Krishna. At the time, gopis, so this is the topmost symptoms of love. So what kind of treatment Krishna is doing with the gopis of love? There are many definitions of love, but our Acharya Pad is saying, when you have a reason for anger and all kinds of vikar, but still you are not doing, and still you are not behaving like that, so always love increases at that time. When there is a reason for rooting, in this world we have seen whatever love we are seeing here. So when the causes of love destruction appears, so the love is destroyed, because whatever kind of love in this world, this is all selfishness. This is all full of selfishness. When the selfishness is completed, then the love is destroyed. So everything is everything is happening here for the selfishness. So what kind of love gopis have in their heart for the Krishnas? So this is not for depend some any selfishness. This is causeless. That's why that love is called nirvad. What is nirvad? Sometimes they used to do laughing jokes. Once Krishna met with gopis, and so he said to gopis, okay, tell me one thing. So you always become angry on me. Whatever I have given you, everything. What is the things I haven't given you? So Gopi said, what you have given to us. Even left our accept us, whatever you have given to the world, whatever you have given to the world also. So don't talk about us, but still whatever you have given to the world. And at the time Krishna was saying, okay, tell me, who are the devotees of mine? When they calls me, so I always save them. So gopis are asking, to whom you have given what? Tell us. So Krishna is saying that I have given the cloth to the Draupadi. So what you have given? So I have given the cloth to the gopis. No, to Draupadi. Huh? So gopis were asking that, tell me one thing, that you are the ladies or gents? So Krishna is saying, simply, I'm a man. I'm not a lady. Okay, tell me. So what kind of dresses Purush, the man, wear up the dresses? So the Purush always wear the dhotis. So what kind of dhoti you have given to, what cloth you have given to Draupadi? You have given the dhoti or sari? So Krishna said, I have given the sari. So Gopi said that, do you have the sari? So where you got from that sari? So where did you get it? So Gopi said, look, oh Sham Sundar, do not boasting here. Whenever we were taking bath, okay, when we were soak our saris into the sunshine, so you thief that, stole that. So we always thinking that it has been flow through the air, but now we know. But now we came to know that you have collected all the saris and have given to Draupadi. It was not yours; it was ours. Krishna said, "So I have defeated now. Okay, I have given to Sudama Vipra so many things. My topmost devotee, Sudama Vipra, I have given so much money to him. Sudama Vipra, he has given me 4 feast rice, 4 muthi chawal. So he has given me 4 feast rice or tandul. So whatever I have given in so much opulences. So where that all money has come from? So Gopi saying, Sham Sundar, do not boast before us. We tell you. So how you? It's not your money. Many richest person, they build the temple, and they put the bhet petika, the donation box before the Thakurji's Vigrah. So they used to give the donation there. So that's why you have given all the donation to Vitsudama Vipra. Because you are Mayavi, you can do anything. Sometimes you become big, sometimes you become small. So that's why you have entered in the donation box and take out all the money and given to Sudama Vipra. So you have given the cash. So you have given the cash to Sudama Vipra. So if you given the check, so you have some proof. So do you have any proof? If somebody deposits some money into the bank, so they have a transaction with the checks, so they have some proof or a statement. So but you have given the cash, so you don't have any kinds of a statement with you. So you have stolen all the money from the temples and given to Sudama Vipra. In the same way, so he was doing laughing and joking with the gopis. And by this laughing joking, so what kind of Saundarya and Madhurya is glorifying of Krishna? So seeing that, so Gopi's inner court of heart is full of love. That time becomes, it's full of love. At the time, Gopi, what they does, they left over their all household duties and they present themselves before the Govind, because Govind have a beautiful form or the talking behavior. So hearing just this talking or the voice of the Govinds, they always presented themselves before the Govind. So what is the meaning of Kilakritta Shesha? There's all the gopis, they left their all household duties and presented themselves before the Govind. So by their body and belongs to the body, all the household's works. They just have the one desire on eagerness how they can meet with Govinda. So with except Govind, they cannot see anything. So they, after taking the darshan of Govind, they become stunned like a puppet. Then after that, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur,
कृष्ण के माधुर्य रूप में सर्वोच्चर्य भाव कैसे प्रकाशित होता
so how all kinds of opulences comes into the Madhurya Bhava of Krishna, so he describing here.
है ऐश्वर्य में माधुर्य विद्यमान है
In the
किंतु माधुर्य में
opulences on Aishwarya, there are Madhurya situated.
माधुर्य में ऐश्वर्य विद्यमान है राधा
So Madhurya is situated into the Aishwarya, but into the Aishwarya there is no Madhurya. Huh? Like this? Aishwarya में Madhurya, Madhurya में Aishwarya नहीं है.
माधुर्य में ऐश्वर्य रहता है
So there is Aishwarya into the Madhurya, but there is no Madhurya into the Aishwarya.
तो क्या हो जाता
What happened then?
है अदृश्य हो जाता
It is invisible,
जैसे नारायण स्वरूप
just like Narayan Swarup. It's full of opulence. So Madhurya is, there is no little bit Madhurya is there.
जैसे कि भगवान से समस्त गुण की
Even Bhagwan has all kinds of qualities there in him, but still, but he is showing the speciality of Aishwarya Madhurya. What is the meaning of opulence? Where he glorifying himself as a Bhagwan,
और जहाँ पर
and where there, so there is Madhurya, so he treat like a human being, normal human being, just like an ordinary person. When maybe they are they glorify their Aishwarya or Madhurya, but where they are treating like a common persons or behaving like general ordinary persons. So this is called the Madhurya definition, where Bhagwan is treating himself just like an ordinary person. When where Krishna expresses their opulence or not, but where he is treating themselves as a common man, so they are always Madhurya is expressing. He is expressing Madhurya there.
वो उससे किंतु माधुर्य के द्वारा से मंडित होता है ना
So Krishna has the opulence in the brush, but it is always covered by the Madhurya, just like Krishna was lifting Raj Govardhan.
इसमें ऐश्वर्य है
So there is opulence is there, but it is covered by the Madhurya.
साधारण मनुष्य के लिए कभी संभव
It is not possible by the ordinary person to hold this kinds of big, huge Giraj for 7 days at night, holding on one finger. So this is Aishwarya, but this is covered by the Madhurya.
विस्मय सृष्टि करते हैं किंतु ये ऐश्वर्य के देख करके
But seeing that Aishwarya, opulences, Brajvasi cannot believe that Krishna is Bhagwan.
भगवत का प्रकाश
He is expressing his Bhagavata, but still Brajvasi is thinking, oh no, he is not Bhagwan. He is not believing them.
जो है भगवान रूप में स्वीकार नहीं
He is not accepting Krishna as Bhagwan.
तो ये इतने गिरिराज गोवर्धन की कैसे धारण किया
So how he has lifted this huge Raj Govardhan?
ब्रजवासी लोग कहते
So Brajvasi is saying in this way,
हैं के समय
at the time of Namkaran or name ceremony, that the child is going to born and at your house,
नारायण समगुण
he is just like similar like Narayan.
नारायण
So Narayan resides in his heart.
नारायण के सारे गुण इसमें
So all the qualities of Narayan is stable in his situated in his heart.
किंतु थोड़े से एक सोचने लगे
So that time that Brajvasi is thinking, sometimes Narayan wished observe himself or comes into his body.
अभिष्ट हो जाता है
Just like sometimes a ghost comes into somebody's bodies in the same way. So in this way Narayan comes into his body sometimes.
उसके 10 व्यक्ति उसको भी
So sometimes somebody's body ghost enter in somebody's body, so 10 people cannot catch him.
वो व्यक्ति दिख रहा है
So externally we are seeing that people he's
तो अंदर में क्या अलक्षित
so he's very powerful, but internally there is a ghost is working from the inside.
उसी
In
प्रकार
the same way,
ब्रजवासी लोग कहते
so
हैं
Brajvasis are saying
भगवान
Krishna is not Bhagwan. Sometimes Narayan enter into his body and he is doing all the activity.
नारायण ही जो है अभिष्ट हो जाता है इसलिए इसलिए विशाल विराज धारण
That's why he has lifted this huge Raj Govardhan.
किंतु ये नहीं जानते हैं
But he doesn't know
ये मूल नारायण कौन है
that who is the cause of Narayan.
कृष्ण तो मूल
Krishna is the cause of Narayan
मूल नारायण
or Mool Narayan.
है। किंतु ब्रजवासी
But
लोग
Brajvasi,
कहते हैं कृष्ण
they are saying Krishna,
साधारण एक
he is just like an ordinary person.
बालक
He is just like a little kid.
है। इसलिए कहते हैं माधुर्य रूप में सर्वैश्चर्य भाव
So in the Madhuri there are all kinds of opulences there, but
संभाव है। समातिशयप्रधीश स्वराज्य लक्ष्मण आप्त समस्त काम बलिं हरेचित चिरदोपपाल
so this shlok is very beautiful. Everybody has to learn it. Madhi Didi, Hari Bol. So in the third canto of Bhagavatam, third chapter, 21 number shlokas. Everybody has to learn it. Have you noted down? Third canto, second chapter. Third canto, second chapter, 21. Huh? Whatever Gurudev told, I'll just third canto, second chapter, 21 number shlok, right? 3.2.21. 21. Tomorrow morning, everybody learn the shloka. I will listen. No, it's 3 to 21.
स्वयं श्री कृष्ण
So Krishna himself,
ईश्वर है।
I am.
त्रिशक्ति क्या है?
What is Tri Shakti? Chit Shakti, Jeev Shakti, and Maya Shakti. So he is the Ishwar of Tri Shakti, three powers. He is not. No one is like him. No one is like him.
और उनके बढ़कर तो कौन होगा?
So who can be greater than him? No one is equal to him. So what to say about that? Who can be greater than him?
इसलिए स्वयं
So that's why.
सब समाधि स्वयं
So he is the cause of everything. All.
रजिस्टर शब्द का अर्थ क्या बता?
Pradishwar,
त्रिशक्ति की जो रजिस्टर
who is the Ishwar of three Shakti, three powers, three Shakti. So no one is equal to him. So what to say about that? Who can be greater than him?
पूर्ण काम है। अपने चितराज्य लक्ष्मी, चितराज्य लक्ष्मी एक नहीं अनंत करोड़ जो है लक्ष्मी आदि और समस्त लक्ष्मी के सर्व लक्ष्मी श्रीमती राधिका जिनकी सेवा
So not only one Lakshmi, thousands of crores of Lakshmis are serving him. And who is the mool cause of all the Lakshmis? Shrimati Radhika Rani. So
समस्त कामना जिनके अंदर खुदाई है और वो आप्त काम भी है।
Krishna is Aptakam himself, and he is full of desire himself.
आप्तकाम और आप्तराम
He is Atmaram. He is Atmaram and Aptakam. He is Atmaram and Aptakam.
आत्माराम क्या है?
What is Atmaram?
अपने ये रमन करते
Who always Raman in his mind, in his himself. So he is Atmaram.
आप्तकाम
And what is Aptakam?
ये समस्त कामना वासना जिनके
Who always, without all kinds of desires. And there is another meaning of that Atmaram and Aptakam.
आत्मा कौन?
Who is the Atma of Krishna? Who is the soul of Krishna? Shrimati Radhika. She is the soul of Krishna.
आत्माराम
So that's why Atma Ram. So that's why he is always
मतलब कृष्ण स्वयं अपने आत्मा में
Raman Karte. So he always doing Raman with Radharani or doing loving activity with Radharani. That's why he is Atma Ram.
अपने आत्मस्वरूप राधा जी में ही प्रेम विहार
So that's why he is always treating his own soul, who is Radharani.
जहाँ पर राधा है
Where there is Radha, there is Krishna.
जहाँ पर कृष्ण है
There is Krishna, there is Radha. So where is Krishna, there is Radha. There is Krishna, where is Radha? Where Radha, there is Krishna. Like this.
राधे नहीं को
Radhe Jai Jai Madhav Daite.
राधा नहीं को माधव, माधव नहीं को राधा, जत्र राधा
Tatra Krishna.
तत्र कृष्ण, माधव।
So there is a shlok in the Bhagwan. So where is Radha Rani, there is Krishna, or there, where is Krishna, there is Radha Rani. So it is mentioned to the Veda.
इंद्र आदि असंख्य लोकपाल
Indra
नाना
and
प्रकार की भेंट
Indra and thousand Lokpal like Indra, they are giving so much presents and offering to the Krishna.
अर्पित करते हैं। ब्रह्मा आदि बड़े बड़े
Brahma and other big devtas,
उनके चरण कमल में जब नतमस्तक होकर
when they
प्रणाम करते हैं,
do Dandavat Pranam
तब उस समय
to the
समस्त
Krishna,
ब्रह्मा आदि
so they
देवताओं
all
के
kinds of Brahma and other devtas,
सिरदेश के मुकुट
so their
एक दूसरे के साथ लगने से
crown of their head,
हैं।
when
अनेक प्रकार के शब्द आदि उत्पन्न।
so when they touches each other's crowns, when they doing the Dandavat Pranam, so it becomes a very beautiful sounds there.
सिद्ध ही चिरलोक पाले, किरीट कोटि पीड़ित पाद पीठ। एक नहीं,
Not only one,
अनंत करोड़
Anant Karor, infinite, Brahma, Shiv, Narad, Indra, and other devtas,
चरण कमल में
when they do the obeisances, present their obeisances towards Krishna, so when their crown touches each other's crown, so there is a beautiful sound comes there.